I am recording.
Alright, right out of the box, power comes on, says cannot read. Also, you see it's also coming and going. It should not be doing that.
Ah.
Now, while it's doing that, we should try a movie. Star Wars. Factory DVD. Cannot read. Also, it's doing the static thing.
Yeah.
On top of not being able to read the movie. So we will next try a music CD. Music CD. Same thing.
Read.
Plus, again, we're getting this
Yep.
static. The menu is not holding up. So we push function and see how scratchy it is. This unit still has some very serious problems. And it's not functioning. And that concludes our filming.